Optic nerve is a second cranial nerve. The fibers of optic nerve are the axons of ganglionic layer of retina. Axons of ganglionic layer of retina. They converge on optic disc and emerge from the eye. Now these fibers exit from the eye as optic nerve. The optic nerve of both eyes converge at the sulcus chiasmaticus to form optic chiasma. Optic chiasma lies at the junction of anterior wall and floor of the third ventricle. The optic nerve then forms the optic tract. The optic tract first goes to the superior colliculus to form tectospinal and tectobulbar tracts, and then it goes to the lateral geniculate bodies. These are the lateral geniculate bodies. From the lateral geniculate bodies, optic radiations emerge and they terminate at occipital lobe. This is the occipital lobe, calcarean sulcus, and here the optic radiation from lateral geniculate bodies terminate. Now this is the visual pathway. From the retina in the eye, the optic nerve emerge, and optic nerve of both eyes at the optic chiasma converge. Then they form optic tracts. Optic tract terminate at lateral geniculate bodies, where the optic radiation emerge and they terminate at occipital lobe at the calcarean sulcus. The fibers of optic nerve are the axons of ganglionic layer of retina. This is the ganglionic layer of retina, and these fibers are the axons of optic nerve fiber, and they emerge from the eye as optic nerve. Then the optic nerves of both eyes converge on the optic chiasma at sulcus chiasmaticus. Then the optic tracts goes to the lateral geniculate bodies, and the optic radiation from lateral geniculate bodies emerge and they converge on the occipital lobe. These are the optic radiation and they terminate at occipital lobe. This is the calcarean sulcus, projection on the right occipital lobe, and this is the projection on right retina. This is the projection on left retina, projection on left dorsal lateral geniculate nucleus, and these are the optic radiation terminating at occipital lobe. This was the optic nerve, second cranial nerve. This is the pure sensory nerve. It plays role in visual pathway.